You're collecting your guest data. Great. But do you have a data strategy? Do you know exactly what you need to know about your guests? And why do you need this information? Here's 5 steps for a vacation rental guest data strategy to sell and serve better. Number 1, define your goals. What do you want? Vet people staying at your property, being able to market to them in the future, personalize upsell offers, improve the experience. Number 2, identify your resources. What do you have? Do you have a team or tools to collect guest data? What kind of upsells can you offer? Number 3, decide what data you actually need. First name and last name to personalize communication, email and or phone number to reach them directly, travel purposes, age, family status, etc. to tailor offers and timing, lifetime value to know how much you can spend to get them to come back. 4, create the process of how to collect the needed data. Get past the gatekeepers like OTAs, Google, social platforms by having your own data collection process. Lead magnets for prospects, check-in forms for guests, surveys for past guests. Extract information from your systems. How long did the guests stay? How much did they spend? What did they request? What did they purchase? Number 5, manage the data you already have. Organize the data you have in a spreadsheet, CRM, or any tool, allowing you to analyze and see the findings. Make data-driven decisions and implement changes according to the takeaways. And the next level of tech enablement is automating your flows according to those data points.